Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create logo in Canva for interior design. What you need to do. But before that, if you want to master Canva, try Skillshare for free for 1 month and find amazing classes to boost your Canva designs. Sign up now. I will leave the link in the description below. Let's get started. How to create logo in Canva for interior design. First, you need to go to Canva and log into your account, and then in the left sidebar just click templates. After that type in the search bar logo for interior design. You see here you have a lot of templates, and just scroll down and choose the templates you like and that fit with your brand. But just keep in mind, some templates they have this crown icon, and this is for Canva Pro subscribers. You need to subscribe in Canva Pro to get access to those templates. But there are still many templates they don't have this icon and are free to use them. Okay, now just scroll down and choose the templates you like. Okay, for example this one, and this is free to use it. And after that click customize this template. This template, it's look very simple, and for example here, interior design by Olivia Wilson. Okay, for example here, highlight Olivia by Sarah Wilson. And here if you want to change the color, just highlight it and then go to the text color and you can change the color. And if you want to change the font, just highlight it, and here you can change the font. And here, okay, this is, I will delete, and then go to elements, and then you can type interior design, and here graphics, click see all. Okay, for example this one, and this you can maybe put it here, and this move it down. This move it down, and just get rid of this. Just move this here, the line, and here increase the size. And if you want to change the background color, just click here and then here, background color, maybe light gray. Yeah, and then when you are happy with the templates, just click share and then download and download again. This is what you need to do if you want to create logo in Canva for interior design. I hope this video is helpful. And please subscribe to my channel if you have found value in this video. That will help me to grow and will help my followers to find my future video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.